Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you are all going well. Yesterday we talked about the importance of sports and game to the early development of children and young people. We looked at how sports contribute to the whole development of young people, not only their physical and mental health, but also bestow them with some important values like teamwork, honesty, fair play, and it also teaches how to be adherent with rules, right? We also looked at the important popular sports play all over the world, and we discussed hockey as our national game, and how had it brought to the subcontinent, right? And how is it a game of antiquity or an ancient game, right? Today we will begin with paragraph number 3. So let's begin. Between 1956 and 1986, Pakistan recorded extraordinary conquests which are still unmatched. During these years, Pakistan made marvelous, significant, prominent wins in the world of hockey, which are even today considered unparalleled or unprecedented, right? This shows that Pakistan once ruled over the world of hockey. 3 times during this period, it becomes almost 20 years. So 3 times during this period means 1956 to 1986, Pakistan won the Olympic and the World Cup crowns. 3 times Pakistan won, Pakistan remained the Olympic and the World Cup champion, right? For 3 times. The Asian Games title was won 6 times, and the champion trophy in the first 2 years of its inauguration. It's a huge achievement the Pakistan hockey received or accomplished in that period of time. It won Asian Games title for 6 times, and it remained the champion of the champions trophy in the first 2 years of its startup. Inauguration means startup. When it had begun, it had for the first time started. Pakistan consecutively won 2 trophies of it. 2 times Pakistan held Asian, Olympic and World Cup crowns, 3 of the world's most prestigious titles. Moreover, Pakistan held Asian, Olympic and World Cup champion, right? And these titles are considered the world's most respectable, prestigious titles, right? Prestigious means having much respect or respectable, honorable. No other hockey playing country has achieved this victory in the history of games so far. Right? and no other country, okay, could achieve such a huge victory, such a huge conquest, such a huge, okay, no other country could cut through such a milestone in the history of hockey, okay, other than Pakistan till now, right? Now we will look at some technical, okay, issues, no, not issues, the technical points of the game hockey. Players undertake different positions in hockey, just like in football and cricket and in other games. Okay, players have to take, okay, different positions. They are attackers, they are stalkers, they are, okay, bowlers, midfielders, defenders, and a goalkeeper. And goalkeeper who remains in his team's shooting circle, protecting the area, right? So these are the positions, okay, the players undertake, okay, during hockey match, a hockey match. Each team consists of 16 players, 11 on the field and 5 in the interchange area. Okay, in total there are 16 players, 11 on the field playing hockey, whereas 5 players have to be sit, okay, in the exchange area, okay, whenever a need arises, okay, they have to, okay, the coach decides, okay, whom to change, okay, whom to send in the field and whom to, okay, call back from the arena, right? So 5 players are to be in the interchange area. Players use their hockey stick to control, pass, push and hit the ball. Okay, they use hockey stick, okay, to play hockey, to play the game, to control, to pass, to push and to blow, to hit, to attack on the goal post, right? The objective of the game is to get the ball into the opposing team's goal. This is the ultimate objective each team tries, okay, that is to, okay, get the ball, to send the ball, to hit the ball in the opponent's goal post, right? The team that scores more goals wins the match, right? That is obvious. Now look at the techniques of the game, okay, and some rules about the game. The match consists of 2 periods of 35 minutes with a short half-time break of about 5 to 10 minutes. You are familiar with this, okay? In total, the period of hockey game, okay, consists of 70 minutes with 2 halves of 35 minutes, okay, and they have to take a break of 5 or 10 minutes, right? If there is an even score, means or tie at the end of regular time, if they goal equal, if the teams goal equal, or the game gets tie at the end of the given period of time, 2 extra time periods of 7.5 minutes can be given. That is the rule. The first team to score a goal during this time is the winner and the game stops, right? This is called the golden goal rule. If there is still a tie at the end of extra time, penalty stops will decide a winner, right? If the teams, okay, cannot goal, okay, in the given extra time, then they have to go for penalty stops to decide the, okay, winner, right? Now we will see paragraph number 6 that talks about women hockey team. Women also actively take part in the game. You cannot ignore this population. Why? Because, okay, a huge percentage of the world's population is made by women, Okay, so you cannot ignore this part of the population, right? They should come, okay, in hand to help men. So okay, women nowadays seem actively taking part in all spheres of life, right? So women also actively take part in the game. An international women hockey tournament was held in Lahore in 1996. Pakistani women hockey team participated in it. Pakistan women hockey is still thriving means striving and making its way to international level. Okay, they held a tournament in Lahore in 1996 and Pakistani women hockey team participated in it. Now the Pakistani hockey team is thriving, is striving, is struggling to make its way to international level, right? Here is a question, where and when was an international women hockey tournament held? Just answer it. Now we will look at some titles won by Pakistan hockey team. The following titles were won by Pakistan. The first Asian Games hockey title was won by Pakistan, okay, in 1958, held in Tokyo. The first World Cup was won by Pakistan in 1971, held in Barcelona. The first Junior World Cup was won by Pakistan in 1978 in Versailles. The first Champion Trophy was won by Pakistan in 1978 in Lahore. The first Asian game was won by Pakistan in 1982, held in Karachi. So these are the titles, okay, won by Pakistan hockey team so far, right? So this shows that, okay, Pakistan hockey team once ruled over the world of hockey, right? Now we will look at the activities. A. Answer the following questions. Who brought the game of hockey to the subcontinent? Okay, the British soldiers, when they used to occupy this region, okay, they brought the game of hockey to the subcontinent. What are the top five sports played worldwide? It is easy, you can answer it. How many players are there in each team? Do you think women hockey team has a future in Pakistan? To answer this question number 4, you have to see the current situation of Pakistan women hockey, so that you can predict, you can guess about the future of this team, right? Take the correct words to complete these sentences. Look at this. In winter we mostly stay, okay, indoors. How is it? How is this verb suitable? As we okay had discussed the other day while we were discussing tenses, the uses and structure. So present simple tense, okay, shows permanent action. So this is a permanent action, like in winter we mostly stay indoors. So to answer the rest, you have to, okay, remind yourself, or okay, you have to recollect your memories too. You have to call your memories, okay, to answer these the rest sentences. Okay, these belong to the tenses. So the tenses with its structure and uses will definitely help you out, okay, while go about this exercise, right? You should know the structure and use of each tense, right, so that you can answer them. Now look at this. Use a thesaurus to find alternative words to write into these passages. Read the passage first. Thesaurus, what is it? It is a kind of dictionary. Within a dictionary, having synonyms or similar meanings, right? Okay, first sentence has been done for you. Chatral Valley is one of the most fascinating means attractive, wonderful or beautiful valleys in the north of Pakistan. It is calm, placid, peaceful place, right? So okay, this word has been beautiful has been replaced by wonderful or fascinating, right? So you have to do the same with, okay, these bracketed words. For example, a young shepherd was sitting on a hillside. Okay, shepherd is someone who grazed the cattle, okay, sheeps. A young shepherd was sitting on a hillside eating. You can replace this with having his lunch and feeling very lonely. Okay, you should do the rest, okay, as it has been done in this case, and here I have just, okay, done for you, right? Now look at this. Choose the correct option from the following determiners. Determiners are, okay, words which guess or which predict about the coming of noun. So determiners precede nouns, right? They tell about the coming of noun, right? So some adjectives can be determiners, articles can also be determiners, right? So you have to look at these sentences and choose the correct option, okay? Don't bother, do not worry if you could not, okay, answer, right? Just do your best. If you have any sort of query, then I'm here to help you all people out, right? Thank you.